Just make it permanent, please. Just do it.
You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hate the thought of me with someone new.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be doing a favorites video. So I'm just going to be showing you guys some of my favorite products, makeup, skincare, hair products, and other stuff. So yeah, if you want to see this video, then just keep watching. So the first makeup product we're going to start off with is this right here, and this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And I just started using this again, and I don't know why, but I'm just like obsessed with this primer now. It really smooths out the skin. I have it on right now, and yeah, it just gives you like this really smooth canvas before you put on your foundation. So yeah, I really recommend that primer. That primer really helps smooth out anything like bumps on the face or any type of scarring or anything like that. It just gives you a really smooth canvas before you put on your foundation. And yeah, I've been obsessed with this and been using it every time I put on my makeup. So this sunscreen right here is called Supergoop, and it's the Glow Stick sunscreen, and it has a SPF of 50. And I use this all over the face before I put on my foundation or when I'm just outside and I'm not wearing any foundation. So here's what the sunscreen looks like. It's just like a little clear bar. And that's why I really like this, because it's like transparent clear sunscreen, and it's for all skin types. It doesn't give you that white cast like a white sunscreen lotion would do for like darker skin tones. So if you're into glowy skin, then you really will love this sunscreen, because it gives you like this really nice glow. Even when you're wearing your foundation, you can see it too. If you're like a matte finish type of person, I do not recommend this at all, because you're gonna glow with this on your face. So yeah, and they also have this in a matte finish too, and I've been trying to get my hands on it, but it's always sold out. I'm really into matte finish like type of foundations, and I like my skin matte as well, but I really don't mind this. This is actually nice. Make sure you guys are protecting your skin from the sun, using sunscreen on a daily, because that's very important. So next we have is the Glam Glow, and this is a mask for the face. I'm pretty sure half of you guys know what this is and use it or have used it. This is like one of my holy grail face masks. Like, this stuff is so amazing. You can wear it for probably, let me see. You can leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then you can rinse it off your face. But I like to like sleep in it overnight, which you can do as well. And when I wake up in the morning, my skin is just flawless. So yeah, I definitely recommend this, especially if you have dry skin and you have like any type of patches on the face and you just can't get rid of it. Put this on, sleep in it overnight. When you wake up, man, your face is gonna be so moisturized. It's not even a joke. Like, I love using this mask, and it actually worked pretty good just for keeping on your face for like 30 minutes. It works really good too, but I definitely recommend using this overnight if you have any problems with dryness. They also sell these in different skin types, so you just got to see which ones fit your skin type. But if you have problems with dryness, I recommend this one. And this is like a little travel size, this right here, and this one is probably like 25 or 30 bucks, and it's so tiny, like really tiny. So I will start off with this because it is kind of pricey. Like, the bigger ones are probably like $80 to $100, but it's really worth it. But yeah, I will start off with the little travel size ones if you haven't tried it out. I know you guys seen this foundation before. It's in Sephora, it's in Macy's, it's in Nordstrom. I probably don't talk about this foundation a lot, but this is like one of my favorite foundations, and I always go back to this foundation no matter what. It's really full coverage. It's a foundation and a concealer put together, so I think that's another reason why I really like it. I also like the little applicator it comes with. It's like a little concealer little brush. You can just brush it on really fast. So yeah, I was really shocked with the color range of these foundations and how close this color is to my skin. Like, it really matches my skin tone like really good. So that's another reason I fell in love with this foundation as well. You guys always see me use this highlighter in my makeup tutorials. So yeah, this is the Dose of Colors highlighter, and this is in Royal Hotness. I'm like obsessed with this highlighter. I swear, like this is the only highlighter that melts on my skin like butter. I have thousands of highlighters, and this is like the only one that just blends so bomb into my skin tone. So yeah, you guys, you're gonna see a lot of this, a lot and a lot and a lot more of this. So yeah, let me swatch it for you guys if you haven't seen it already. If you don't watch my channel, you need to watch my channel. And yeah. So this is what it looks like. These highlighters are like so creamy and smooth. I just love how they feel when you put it on the skin. And I think they retail for like 28 bucks at Ulta, and I actually have it on right now. Y'all see that? Y'all see that glow? This is one of my Holy Grail's OG favorite lipsticks of all time. And if you watch any of my old videos, you know I use this lipstick like it's nothing. So yeah, and this is just like a nudie pink color, and it's a satin finish. And this is just like the perfect nude lip, and this is what it looks like. If they ever discontinue this lipstick, I'm gonna go crazy. There's like nothing out there that's winning for me. Like this lipstick is just my go-to, like no matter what. So next week I'll talk about lip gloss, and this right here is the Buxom lip gloss. Well, it's a lip plumper gloss, and it's like super duper extremely high glossy. That's the reason why I'm like obsessed with it. This one is a what color is this? What shade? I don't even know what shade this one is, but it's just like a pinky nude color. I really like this one too, but my like favorite one I use is the Dominique. It's a clear one, and it has like little sparkles in it and stuff. So yeah, that's the one I use like on a daily. I probably use it every single day, and I go through them like crazy. But they're like super glossy. Like I'm like obsessed with these. So yeah, let me see. Y'all see that? Super glossy. And they last really long. Like you don't have to keep touching up with these. They're really thick, but not in a bad way thick. Like really smooth, and they just shine so much. And they retail for like, I think $28. I think they're $28. They're kind of pricey, but they are worth it. But the only bad thing about it is I use it like all the time, so I be running through them like crazy. They have so many colors, like a whole range of them. So yeah, check these out too. So next we're going to talk about eyelashes. These are the eyelashes that I use right here. And I get these from the beauty supply store. These are number 13s. I don't know if you guys can see them or not, but yeah, they look like this. They're like wispy. So these lashes right here are like my everyday lashes. I wear these to work every single day. They kind of look like these, the ones I have on, but they're just a little shorter, a little more everyday look type of lash. And I have like a million pairs of these, so I don't wear the same ones for no more than probably 4 days. Yeah, so if you guys have like a beauty supply store nearby, I'm pretty sure they have these, but the only thing about these are they're really hard to get the number 13s. They're always sold out. So if you see them, grab them and try them out because they're really nice. I also got this glue from the beauty supply store too, and it's like $2 or $3.99. But this glue really like caught me off guard. Like it's so strong. Like I was just not expecting a $3.99 glue to be that strong. Like this glue works better than the matte glue I used to use, the Duo glue. And I know a lot of people out there use Duo glue, and I'm telling you guys right now, this glue is way better. I can go to work for 8 hours and come home and my lashes will not budge. Like they not popping off or anything. Like y'all just gotta try this glue out. So if y'all don't have it like at a beauty supply store near you or anything, you can buy this on eBay, because I bought some on eBay at first before it like started being hella popular and people started buying it and stuff. I had to and before it was like in the beauty supply stores, I would order it on eBay. And make sure when you buy this, you get dark. Do not get the red one, the pinkish red one, the white one. I do not like it at all. I don't recommend it. I feel like the formula in the white glue by this brand is way different from this one. So I would try the dark glue first. So yeah, check on eBay for this. Try it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like it. Makeup product is Sacha Buttercup. And this is a powder for setting under the eyes. You can set the face, whatever you want. It's a yellow banana powder. And I just feel like this is like my holy grail banana powder. Like, I've used so many different yellow powders. I'm currently using Julia's Place powder right now. But I just always go back to this powder. It doesn't matter what it is. It's just something about this powder. I just love the way it looks on my skin. And I love how it blends out. It doesn't leave no cast under the eyes or anything like that. It's just some really good powder. So if you're like my skin tone or darker or even a little lighter, this is it right here. So they've been out for a while now. This powder's been out for a while. And I have this. I'm actually done using this. It's like empty. I need to order another one, but I probably have this probably for 3 years. It took me 3 years to use all of this powder. Like, you don't even need a lot of this powder. Like, a little goes a long way. Now let's talk about some hair products. This is by Style Factor, and this is a hair pomade, and it just slicks down like your edges, frizzy hair, and it's in the scent Coconut Banana. If I didn't have this, my hair would be looking a hot mess right now. Like, it just slicks my hair down so good. So what I do is I just take it. This is what it looks like. It's just like a little stick. Look like a little glue stick. And it smells so good. It really smells like coconut and banana. So I just put it on my hair like this. And then I take my hot comb and then I just go through it with my hot comb, and it just melts the hair down. Like, look how sleek this hair is. You don't see any hair sticking up. Like, this stuff really works really good. And I've tried so many different pomades for my hair, and they don't even work that good. And this one I really like because you can use like heat with this. It's not gonna burn your hair or nothing. So yeah, this thing is huge. Like, this is probably gonna last me a very long time. And it is, how much was this? This was $11.99. This is another product that I can't live without. Like, I seriously can't live without this. This is what I use to do my baby hair. As you can see, I use the Gorilla Glue. And this one, I think this is the strongest hold they have. This is like the Mohawk gel one. This is what I use probably every other 3 days to lay down my baby hairs. If you trying to get some baby hairs on fleek and get them all looking nice, try this out. So this hairspray right here is actually a new product I just been started using like for a couple weeks now. I spray my baby hairs after I gel them. I'll use it to spray like my little flyaways too. Yeah, this is some really good hairspray. So if you're looking for some good hairspray that's gonna really hold your curls, hold your, if you go tease your hair, whatever you want to do, you need some good hairspray, I really recommend this hairspray. My last hair product is the Bronx hairspray, and this is a repair and shine leave-in treatment for damaged hair. I use this to keep my hair hydrated from the heat, and I also use it to fly under my hair, and it also helps my hair from breaking and becoming damaged. So yeah, this product is a must-have. Especially if you fly in your hair a lot, you must have this product right here. It just works wonders. And they sell this at Sally's, and I think it's like $8.99. But it is hard to get your hands on this. It sells out like crazy. Like, they've been out of stock probably for like 4 months now. And I'm on my last bottle, and I'm just like, please don't discontinue this because I really need this. If you can find it on sallys.com, order it, try it out, let me know. I bet you guys will love it. It is the Hemp Solution, and it is a limited edition lotion. It's the Blood Orange Pomegranate Lotion, and it's a body moisturizer. Man, let me tell you guys, this lotion is probably the best smelling lotion I have ever smelled in my life. Like, I can't even explain to you what this smells like. Like, if you can get your hands on this, I kid you not, you will fall in love with this lotion. This lotion is so bomb. Like, it has a unique smell to it, something I've never smelled before ever. And when I smelled it, I was just like, what the hell? I need all of them. I need all of them. Give me all of them. But I ended up getting this one. It was like the last one at the store. Some girl came in and she ended up buying like 10 of them for her salon. I bought this lotion from Salon Centric. And if you're not familiar with Salon Centric, it's a store where you can buy professional products for people that's licensed and has their cosmetology license. Also sell lotions in there as well as nail polish and all that stuff and hair care. I have it like inside like a little mini hand one. I refilled it and I'd be putting it on at work and stuff, and everybody just break their neck. What is that? What does that smell? What does that smell? I'm like, my lotion. They're like, oh my god, what is that? I need it now. I'm like, oh, they don't sell it no more, sorry. But this lotion is like everything. Like, you guys, it just smells so freaking good. Like, I just can't get over how good the smell. Like, they need to make this permanent. Like, just make it permanent, please. Just do it. Like, it has that pomegranate smell in it, but with a like citrus and fruity peach smell. It's, I don't know, it just smells so good. Like, so yeah, I hope you guys like these type of videos. If you do, don't forget to thumbs up this video and leave a comment down below letting me know that you guys like these type of videos. And yeah, that's a wrap for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I got a lot of more videos in store for you guys. And I'm not just talking makeup videos, I'm talking about other type of videos as well. So stay tuned for all of that. And yeah, this is a wrap. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.
You just want attention. You don't want more.